Seed Formation's Registered Agent Service Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Seed Formation's Registered Agent Service Review. In this video, I'll give you a detailed breakdown of the features, pricing, and overall experience of using Seed Formations as your registered agent. If you're looking for a reliable business compliance solution, this review will help you decide. Links to their services are included in the description. What does Seed Formations offer? Seed Formations provides a registered office address service designed for startups, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who want a prestigious London business address while keeping their personal details private. Their service ensures compliance with Companies House and HMRC, allowing businesses to receive and manage official government correspondence without hassle. Pricing and value. Seed Formations offers affordable pricing with an annual renewal structure. Their service is competitively priced compared to other UK-based registered agent providers, making it a cost-effective option for businesses that need a reliable compliance solution. They also offer additional formation services, making them an ideal choice for startups looking to register a company from scratch. Mail handling and compliance. With Seed Formations, all official mail from Companies House and HMRC is securely received, scanned, and forwarded to you digitally or via post. This ensures timely access to important documents, helping you avoid missed deadlines or penalties. Their efficient system guarantees that your business stays compliant with UK regulations at all times. User experience and online dashboard. Seed Formations provides a streamlined online platform that allows users to manage their business address, track mail, and access important notifications with ease. Their intuitive interface makes it simple to stay on top of compliance requirements. Customer support. Their customer support team is known for being responsive and knowledgeable, providing assistance via phone, email, and live chat. Whether you need help with registered agent services or company formation queries, their team is available to guide you. Who is it for? This service is ideal for UK startups, freelancers, and small business owners who need a professional registered office address at an affordable price. It's particularly useful for those who want a London-based address without having to maintain a physical office. Final verdict. Seed Formations delivers a reliable, professional, and budget-friendly registered agent service. With secure mail forwarding, a user-friendly digital platform, and excellent customer support, they offer a great solution for businesses needing compliance services. If you're interested, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.